State Farm and all these other insurance carriers are leaving. What do you do? Let's get started. Okay, so it's been in the news. More and more insurance companies are leaving California, specifically for homeowners insurance and for liability insurance. And a lot of that has to do with a lot of payouts, especially in high fire zones. So what are you gonna do? Well, there's a couple of options. First option is to talk to an insurance broker. They have partnerships with different insurance companies and they can tell you what some of your options are. For example, they might have partnerships with companies like Stillwater or Safeco's even leaving, but there are different types of companies that we've all never maybe heard of, and they might be able to help. The second thing is if you are in a high fire zone, there is what's called the California Fair Plan. This is a plan that's basically insured by the state of California, and it's good for up to $3 million in construction costs. Now, here's the kicker. You're probably thinking, well, I have a $5 million house. Well, that's just the value of the property, not necessarily the cost to build. And if you talk to contractors and you start work right away, oftentimes, even with total loss on a fire, the foundation's still in place. So if you can work with the existing foundation, which is a big chunk of the cost, building the rest you might be able to do for under $3 million. If not, you better prepare. So it doesn't hurt to talk to contractors and just ask, what is the latest on building? Or you take a look at my house. What do you think it would cost to rebuild this? And make sure that your insurance policy covers it. And even if you haven't lost your insurance carrier, it doesn't hurt to take another look. What insurance carriers do is they use a metric called Marshall and Swift. This is basically an automated system that says, well, it's gonna cost $250 to build this house, therefore we're insuring based off this. You like the price and you move on. Problem is, it may cost more to build in your area. So it doesn't hurt to bump up the coverage to make sure you truly have the right amount to cover, God forbid there's a total loss. Love to hear what you're doing. Go ahead and comment below and I'll talk to you guys later.